Hi, I'd like to share a little tip for ChatGPT to help you to increase your rankings on Google for your website. So, one of the difficult things that most people struggle with is a page title and a page description for every page that they have on their website. And most people just install a plugin called Yoast, and Yoast will do it automatically, but it'll do it a kind of basic title, and it will generate the page description. And really, if you want your website to sing and dance, you should tweak these so that they're better for your particular business. So on my test site, when I install Yoast, it puts in these three variables which generate the page title. So this is the page, this is the title of the website, and this is the site title. So all of these three or four things together generate the title. And then the meta description down below is blank, but it's Yoast is telling me it's going to generate it for me. So that will work, but in order for me to improve my listings, I might want to tweak it. So this is where we can go to ChatGPT and we can put in, give me some page titles and meta description for a web design company in Loud. And hey ho, it does it for you. So I can go, okay, I like that title. So I'm going to pick that title. I'm going to take that and I'm going to go over to my page title. I'm going to put that in there. And maybe I'm going to take out some of these, some of that. And actually I'll take out the whole thing. And now that's what my page title is going to look like in on my Google listing. And then the other thing I'm going to put in is, if I go back to here, I want to change the description. So I'll take this and I'll put that in the meta description box. And yeah, now that's what the listing in Google is going to look like once it's crawled. Now, in Yoast, this little red line is telling me this is a little too long, so I may want to shorten this a bit, and now it goes green. And this one is orange, so I may want to just tweak this a little bit. But you get the idea. Most people don't do this. Most people don't know how to do it, because you have to know the right words to match your business and the content that's on your website, which is very important. Because if the two don't match, if the content on the website doesn't match what your business is about, when Google crawls your site, there'll be a mismatch. So this is a really cool, quick way of using ChatGPT to give you the page titles and then give you some of the meta descriptions. And I just wanted to share that with you today.